Good evening, everyone. I am Saranya, Assistant Professor from SNS College of Engineering. Uh, Today, my topic is a brute force algorithm for design and analysis of algorithm. What is brute force algorithm? A brute force algorithm is a straightforward approach to solving a problem. It's usually directly based on the problem statement and definition of concept involved. It is a selection shot, bubble shot, sequential search, string matching, depth first search, and uh, breadth first search. Closed pair and convex hull problems can be solved by the brute force problem. For the example, it is a computing a power n, that means n times of a values. It means a less than a greater than 0 comma n, a non-negative integer value. It's computing an n factorial. The n factorial can be computed as a n star into n minus 1 star up to star 3 star 2 star. It's 1. It is a multiplication of a two matrices, that means C equal to A and B. Searching a key from a list of element. It is a sequential search. The advantages of brute force algorithm is a brute force algorithm is applicable to a very wide variety of problems. It is very useful for solving a small size instance of a problem, even though it is inefficient. The third point is the brute force approach yields reasonable algorithm of at least some practical value with no limitation on instance size for sorting, searching, and string matching. Selection sort. The sorting by the brute force, it's a definition of sorted by the obvious algorithm. First one is a selection sort. It is a first scan the entire given list to find its smallest element and exchange it with the first element, putting the smallest element in the final position of the shortest list. Then scan the list starting with the second element to find the smallest among the last n minus 1 element and exchange it with the second element, putting the second smallest element in its final position in the shortest list. It is a generally the ith pass through the list which we number from 0 to n minus 2. The algorithm searches for the smallest item among the last n minus I elements and swaps it with a I. If the equations of a naught less than or a1 less than or up to less than or ai minus 1 and ai comma a minimum comma a n minus 1, it is there the final position. After the n minus 1 passes, the list is sorted. The algorithm of selection sort into a into 0 comma n minus 1. If the problem description of uh, shortest sorting brute force is a sort a given array by the selection sort if the input value and a array a into 0 comma n minus 1 of orderable elements. The output the array of a into 0, n minus 1 is sorted in the non-decreasing order. For I tends to 0 to n minus 2, 2, minimum tends to I. For j tends to I plus 1 to n minus 1, do. If a of I less than a of minimum into minimum tends to j, swap a of I and a of minimum. The analysis of selection chart is the straightforward. The input size is given by the number of elements of n. The basic operation is the key comparison. A of j tends to uh, a of j less than a of minimum. The number of item it is executed depends only on the array size and is given by the following sum. Sum C of n is equal to summation I equal to 0 n minus 2 summation j equal to I plus 1 power n minus 1 into 1 tends to summation I equal to 0 n power minus 2 into n minus 1 minus of uh, I plus 1 is equal to summation I equal to 0 power n minus 2 into n minus 1 minus I equal to n minus 1 into n divided by 2. Thus, the selection sort is a big O of n squared of algorithm on all inputs. Thank you.